Hello everyone, in today's lecture I will teach chapter 6 plants the producers of grade 4. Now first of all, do you know what are producers which produce anything? We call them producers, and we call plants as producers because plants they prepare their food by their own. For their food they do not depend upon any other one, and this function of preparing the food, this function is performed in the plants by the leaf. First of all, we'll study the different parts of the leaf. On different plants we can see different size, different colors, even different shapes of the leaves. Most of the leaves, most of the plants, even they are green in color. Now first of all, why are they green in color? Due to the presence of chlorophyll. Now what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll, it is the green pigment which is present in the plants, which gives green color to the plant. That is known as chlorophyll. There are two functions which are performed by chlorophyll. So first of all, what is chlorophyll? It is the green pigment. Where is it present? In the plants. What are its function? It helps in absorbing the sunlight which is required during the process of photosynthesis, and along with it, it gives green color to the plants. Now first we'll study the different parts of the leaf. First of all, the part of the leaf with which leaf is attached to the branches of the plant, that is known as either leaf stalk or petiole. So leaf stalk and petiole, it is the part of the leaf with the help of which leaf it is attaches to the branches or the plant. After this, we can see main line, center line in the leaves, right? That main or center line, that is known as either we call it main vein or mid rib. After this, the flat part of the leaf, that is known as leaf blade or lamina, and there are small lines, a network of lines which are starting from the center line, they are going outwards. Those lines are known as side veins. So the different parts of the leaf are, first of all, leaf stalk or petiole, the part of the leaf with the help of which leaf is attached to the plant. After this, the center line in the plant, we call it main vein or mid rib. The flat part of the leaf is known as leaf blade or lamina, and the small lines which are there on the leaf, we call them side veins. Now see, I have few leaves. First of all, see this. So in this one is petiole. This is petiole. You can see this flat part of the leaf, this is known as leaf blade. Then this center line, this is visible, the center line, right? This is known as main vein or mid rib, and these small lines which are going out of it, that is known as side veins. I have one more leaf, see. In higher grades, you will learn about there are different type of venation, how the lines are there on the leaf. Now see, this one is petiole. After this is leaf blade. See, the shape is also different. See, their shape is different, right? The structure of the lines on the leaf, in this it is in this way, and in this one it is, you can see a parallel lines in this one leaf, right? So in this leaf, this is the main vein. See, this is the main vein, this one center one line, this is main vein, this one is leaf blade or lamina, this is petiole or leaf stalk, and these small lines parallel to each other, these are known as side veins. After this, next is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? The process by which plants they prepare their food, that is known as photosynthesis. Plants prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. First of all, you know, we have different parts of the plants. We have root, stem, leaf, and underside the leaf there are small holes through which plants they breathe. That is known as stomata. For example, we have these nostrils for the exchange of gases. In the same way, underside of the leaves, there are small holes for the exchange of gases. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and they breathe out oxygen. So for this exchange of gases, they have small holes on the underside of the leaves, that is known as stomata. And plants, they are green in color due to the presence of the chlorophyll. And after this, carbon dioxide, it is already present in the atmosphere, in the air. Now see the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants they prepare their food with the help of water and carbon dioxide. In the presence of sunlight, plants they prepare their food in the form of simple sugar and they give out oxygen. Now see here. First of all, when we give water to the soil. Roots are in direct contact of the soil. So from the soil, roots of the plants, they will absorb water and it is given to the leaves and all the other different parts of the plant through stem and branches. After this, now leaves, they got water. Second, carbon dioxide through stomata. Leaves will get the carbon dioxide which is already present into the air. Sunlight is absorbed by chlorophyll. So leaves now they have water, sunlight and carbon dioxide, everything. After this, leaves they prepare the food in the form of simple sugar and extra food is stored in the form of starch. For example, rice, potato. If you will dip rice for some time in the water, you can see water will turn white after some time, right? It is due to the presence of the starch. Next one is, there are other different ways also by which you can prove it. Along with the preparation of the food by the process of photosynthesis, they also give out oxygen. This oxygen which we breathe in. So this is complete photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? It is the process by which plants prepare their food. How? With water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight, and plants they prepare food in the form of simple sugar and also give out oxygen. So this was all about photosynthesis. Next topic is interdependence of plants and animals. Plants and animals, all of these, they depend upon each other for their survival. For example, first of all, plants. Plants are eaten by animals. The animal which eat plants, we call them herbivorous animals. For example, cow, buffalo, and the animals, there are other categories of the animals also on the basis of their feeding habits. Animals which eat the flesh of other animals, we call them carnivores. For example, lion, tiger. Now, first of all, we have producers, plants. Plants are eaten by herbivores. Herbivores are eaten by carnivores. So, this form, we can say that it is a kind of chain. And all of them, they depend upon each other for how are they interlinked for food, right? So, this is known as food chain. What is food chain? A chain which shows how plants and animals or different living beings, organisms, they depend upon each other for food. That is only known as food chain. For example, grass is eaten by deer, deer is eaten by lion, a kind of chain. Second example, grass is eaten by grasshopper, grasshopper is eaten by frog, frog by snake, and snake by eagle or hawk. So all of these, they depend upon each other and it forms a kind of chain. They depend upon each other for the food. So these are two examples. You can write other examples also of the food chain. Second thing is, they also, plants and animals, both of them, they depend upon each other for breathing also, for the gases which they breathe in. For example, plants give out oxygen. That oxygen is breathed in by animals, and after that animals, they will breathe out carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide is breathed in by plants again for the process of photosynthesis, and after photosynthesis, plants again, they will give out oxygen. This oxygen is breathed in by animals. So kind of they maintain a balance in the nature of the amount of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Now so can I say that plants, they are depending upon animals for the carbon dioxide, and without carbon dioxide, plants, they cannot prepare their food. In the same way, animals, for their survival, they are depending upon the plants directly or indirectly for food also, and for oxygen also they are depending upon the plants. So if the amount of plant or animal, any number of plants or animals, it will suddenly increase or decrease, then what will happen? The whole balance will get disturbed. Okay everyone, have a nice day.